boy named David. Hello everybody. Hi, my name is David. I'm a very little boy, but I'm very faithful. I love God. I love Him so much. He has given me a talent to sing a song every time. People calls me. Kings calls me to sing for them. Yes, and my work is to take care of the sheep. Look here, my wonderful sheep. I need to take them to grassing. Come on, sheep, let's go. We'll find some jungle. We'll go there. You can have some food. He takes the sheep for the grassing. Wow. Yes, my sheep are good. Oh, it's time for me to take lunch for my brothers who's in the battlefield. Yes, let me go and see. Oh, this fight is happening. What fight? What is happening? What is happening? There is a big, huge Goliath. Nobody can fight with him. And he's challenging us. Is there anyone willing to fight with him? No. We cannot fight with him. Let's go. Back step. Shall we go back? We cannot fight. I think I can fight with Goliath. Everybody started laughing. Laugh. This small little boy, do you think he can fight with such a big, huge Goliath?
Yes.
He can fight? He thought yes. But people thought, he cannot fight. This small little boy. He started laughing. David says, I'm serious. My God is strong. I'm going to fight with Goliath. My time has come. Okay. Now it's time. Goliath is going to come. Do you want to see Goliath? No? Yes. All are waiting to see him. And waiting to see the battle. David and Goliath. Let's see. Let's call Goliath. Here comes Goliath. Ho! Is there anyone who's ready to fight with me? You're ready, just like this. David said, I'm ready to fight with Goliath. You small little lily. Do you think you can fight with such a huge Goliath?
Yes.
Very good. Good response. Just like this, the David said, yes, I am ready. My time has come. David got angry. Hey! You little boy, do you think you can fight? Making fun. My breakfast is ready. Let me battle with him. He started. He's pointing on David. And it's coming. He escaped. And again Goliath got angry. Do you think you can? You're playing with me? And your God is weak. Your God is weak. Goliath said. David said, my God is strong. He took only a boy named David, only a little sling. He had a sling. What is this? Sling. And only a little sling. Only a boy named David, but he could pray and sing. He was always praying and sing song. Only a boy named David, only a little sling. Only a boy named David. He picked up 5 little stones. How many stones? 5 stones. 1, 2, 3, and he kept inside his pouch. Only a boy named David, only a little sling. Only a boy named David, but 5 little stones say big. David is ready, and Goliath also ready here. He took his spear. Now he is also ready to fight with David. And he started shooting him. Again he missed. David said, "You come before me with the sword and spear, but I come in the name of God." What he said? "I come in the name of God." He took one sling. 1 little stone went into the sling. How many little stones went into the sling? Only one. He picked up 5, but he took only 1 stone. He kept inside the sling. And he prayed. Who was with him? He went before Goliath in the name of God. 1 little stone went into the sling, and the sling went round and round. Round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Are you ready? Yes. Now here the God gave him strength. And 1 little stone went up in the air. And Jacob got out. His head was thrown down. And David, what David became? King. See now, David. Now only a boy named David, he won the battle. Yes? Now, why he won the battle? Because he was faithful to God, and when he fought the battle, the God was with him and he won it. Yes.